To change language in Limbus Company. 1. Launch Limbus Company. Open Limbus Company. Wait for the game to reach the main menu. Ensure the game is fully loaded before changing settings. 2. Open the Settings menu. Click the Settings icon. It is usually located in the top right or bottom right corner. Open the Game Settings panel. 3. Navigate to the Language options. Look for Language, Game Language, or Localization. Open the Language selection menu. View the list of available languages. Select your preferred language. Click the desired language. Choose from the supported options. Confirm your selection if prompted. 5. Apply the changes. Click Apply or Confirm. Wait for the settings to save. Some text may update immediately. Restart the game if required. Exit Limbus Company, launch the game again, check if the new language has been applied. 7. Change language through Steam. Open Steam, go to your library, right-click Limbus Company, select Properties, open the General tab, choose a language from the drop-down menu, launch the game. NART 8. Verify game files. If language doesn't change, right-click Limbus Company in Steam, select Properties, open Installed Files, click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the process to finish, launch the game again. Now, 9. Update the game. Open Steam, check for Limbus Company updates, install any available patches, restart Steam, try changing the language again. 10. Reinstall the language files. Uninstall Limbus Company, restart your PC, reinstall the game from Steam, select your preferred language during setup if available, launch the game. These steps will help you successfully change the language in Limbus Company and fix situations where the language setting does not apply or keeps reverting to the default language.